Everyone, my name is Prakhar Kumar and today I'm going to solve another leetcode problem. So the problem is get the maximum number in the generated array. So you are given an integer n, a zeroth index array, nums of length n plus 1 is generated in the following way. So we have to use these rules: nums of 0 equal to 0 and nums of 1 equal to 1. So and nums of 2 star I equal to nums of I, and nums of 2 star I plus 1 equal to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. Okay, so basically, we are given an idea that we have to insert 0 and 1 at the 0th and first index respectively. And for the even number, what we have to do, nums of 2 star I equal to nums of I. So these two will be going in the right side. So nums of I will become nums of I by 2. So this is a scenario for the even case. And for the odd case, nums of I plus 1 equal to nums of I by 2. This 2 will go on the right side. Nums by 2, I by 2 plus nums of I by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the way we have to solve this problem. So here we are solving this problem in the Python. So a class is defined and the maximum generated function is defined, and n is passed. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just create the temporary variable temporary equal to an empty array. Okay, so we are creating a list. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so we are creating a temporary array, so as null. Okay, then we will start the for loop for in range i in range n plus 1, because it's given in the question that a zeroth index integer array nums of length n plus 1 is generated in the following way. So we have to start from 0 until n plus 1 in the range. So range, what will do, it will go from 0 to nth position. Okay, then if I equal to 0, then m dot append m dot append 0. Okay, and if I equal to 1, if I equal to 1, then temporary variable dot append 1. Okay, so this is the condition for the I and 0. Okay, so here elif condition is there, and for I equal to 0, if condition is there. Okay, so for 0 and 1 we have done the coding part. So for the rest, if the even condition, nums of 2 star I equal to nums of I, so these two will be going to the right side. Okay, so elif if I I if I mod 2 equal to 0, then we have to append the I plus I by 2 position element to the array, means in the list. So temp dot array, sorry, append here. Temp means that position element. Okay, so I by 2. So at I by 2 position element will be inserted into the temporary list. Okay, and then else condition we have to apply here. For odd numbers we have to check. Okay, so here temporary dot append, what you have to do, just nums of I by 2 plus nums of I by 2 plus 1. So temporary I by 2. Okay, temporary I by 2 plus temporary plus temporary temporary I by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is a condition for the odd number. Okay, so for even it will go to the array temporary, like temporary I by 2 position element, and for the odd condition in array temporary, it will go as temporary I by 2 plus temporary I by 2 plus 1. Okay, okay, then we will return the maximum number in the list. Okay, so for is from, like, in the where the for is there, we have to return that list. So return mass of temporary. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, it has accepted the case, and if you submit this code, yes, it has accepted my code. So this is the simplest question in lead code that we have solved. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I will uploading the harder questions in next videos. So thanks for viewing my video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.